Well, guys, I got it apart. It's had capacitors glued in here. It's had a capacitor glued in here. It's completely full of silicon here. Capacitor glue there, capacitor glue there. Look at that. That's why I couldn't get the mylar strip out, because look at that. How can you get that out? It's glued. They glued it in. And the thing was far out.
You can't say that.
And the other thing too, the mylar strip's starting to freaking rip here. The mylar strip here was glued to the side of the box internally. Freaking hell. And hang on, it's even more funny. I'm not making any more videos telling people to put silica bags inside their detectors, because I think this is what's happened to you. And you can see the silica there. It's grabbing inside, and there you go, silica in the guide channels, or silicon. How the hell was the board in there? The board wasn't in the guide channels. It couldn't have been. It's got a big lump of silicon sitting in the guide channel. So obviously it was mounted sideways. I don't understand. Who did this? If that was someone who mods detectors, I would not send my detector there in a million years. That's so you got to destroy everything to get it apart to do the work they wanted on the detector. How do you ever get the mylar out? Go on, tell me. How do you get that off? It's silicon. It grips. It's nothing that eats it. It's massive fail. Fancy putting it back together when it was all wet and it stuck to everything, and fancy putting that like that. And here you can see where they'd broken a track there, and they put a wire on it. See? Oh my God. What a freaking nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Unbelievable. So I need to find out the story on this. I just don't. Oh, Jesus Christ. Do you know something? Someone's been right into this and done stuff, and they've buried it all under. I can't even upgrade this because all the upgrades go in here, and they put silicon over everything. There's looks like someone's tried to copy what I've done. They've tried to copy it and have very little understanding. Like, why would you put high frequency capacitors there with great whopping long leads? It's going to do nothing. It's absolutely ridiculous. I can't do anything with this detector. It's basically it'll work, but you can't do anything with it. If it ever broke, you would never be able to fix it. I mean, I just don't understand. A little bit of information probably is dangerous. Oh, I'd hate to replace the the bloody voltage stabilizer MOSFET. Jesus. I'm just looking at it. It's just amazing. Haven't touched that side of the board. Thank God for that. I'm going to have to hot melt that there before it rips through. Otherwise, you're going to have no threshold. If it rips through, do you think you really want to put another Mylar on there? Do you? Freaking hell. Actually, I've got to check that to see if it hasn't ripped through. I need my glasses. Anyway, guys, this is how you do not modify a detector and whatever. I don't know the history. I don't know what's happened. There you are. It's ripped straight through the threshold pot track. And that Mylar needs replacing. But it can't. It see, this is ridiculous. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So how do you replace that? How do you replace it? Oh, dear me. It's like a disaster waiting to happen. I mean, this is bad enough. Gee. What are you doing?
Cut it. You want a scissor?
No. I'm going to spray. I'm going to see if I can spray. Chuck me a silicone spray. I'm going to try it. Try a trick. See if silicone spray. Well, here we go. I'm just going to see if I can get silicone spray in there and see if I can adhere that.
Want more? Want more on it?
No, give me a knife. I have to cut through the silicone here. This is bad. It really is. That's not sharp enough. I need a blade.
It's sharp.
No. Blade. Silicone. I've done it. I've done this my whole life. I know exactly what I need to do. Like that. See that? There we go. So that's how the Mylar strip was attached. Great hunks of silicone. It's stuck to the board. I will never get it off, so I have to cut it.
Retract it.
And then see, they've already busted a wire and had to retrack it. So unbelievable. So yeah, it's got silicone in the bloody connector. So I'm going to make it go and put it. I have to donate a strip to it. I'm not gluing it in. I'll tell you that right now. Or actually, maybe I should. I should put it back the way it was. So when the next person pulls it apart, they'll rip it to pieces. Crazy. Yeah.
It stinks.
What?
The silicone, it stinks.
No, not that bad. It's silicone. Yeah, it's got a smell. But you know, I don't want to put my name to this. No way known. That is just woefully an absolute shocker. Because whatever happens, right? If I do anything to it and it fails for any reason, it'll come back on my doorstep and I'll have to deal with that. No way. That'll take days to do anything if it ever breaks. So it's yeah, just woeful. Here's your modified detector. No. It's got someone's put potentiometers in there near the front end as well. With big long wires going to the Jesus. I don't want to touch this. This is toxic. This is dynamite dangerous to get involved with. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't know who did this, but whoever did this, freaking look in the mirror right now and just go, shame, 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 because it's just ridiculous. Anyway, that's enough of my rant. Don't send me stuff like this. I'm not interested. Catches.